Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to detect mouse input in Unity. The first thing you need to do is attach a C# script to the game object that you want to control. Once the script is attached, you need to create an update function. Next, you need to create an if statement in the update function. This if statement will check to see if a particular mouse button is being pressed. If the button is being pressed, the code inside the if statement will be executed. We use the GetMouseButton method, which detects mouse input in Unity. It returns true as long as the user holds down the mouse button identified by name. Zero is the left click button name, usually used for shooting. The print method is a simple way to debug your code. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the left mouse button. You should see the output of your code in the console log. To check if a mouse button is being pressed, you can use the GetMouseButtonDown method. One is the right-click button value. Normally we use that for weapon zoom or something like that. The GetMouseButtonDown method returns true if the specified mouse button is being pressed down. It returns false if the key is not being pressed down or if it is being held down. The print method is a simple way to debug your code. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the right mouse button. You should see the output of your code in the console log. You can also use the GetMouseButtonUp method to check if a mouse button is being released. 2 is the middle mouse button value. Normally we use that for holding the hand grenade or something like that. The GetMouseButtonUp method returns true if the specified key is being released. It returns false if the key is not being released or if it is being held down. The print method is a simple way to debug your code. This can be helpful for tracking down errors and understanding how your code is working. To check if your code is working, play the game and press the middle mouse button. You should see the output of your code in the console log. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.